Hello viewers, welcome to Off Time. Today I'm going to show you how to personalize your Android home screen to a simple and rich look as in my display. For this you need three applications. The first one is Nova Launcher, second KWGT widgets, and the third dark polo icon pack, and also some backups which I already made, and all the files are attached to this description. You can get it from there. Let's go to the setup. Yeah, this is the folder you downloaded just now. We have three apps: dark polo icon pack, custom widget, and Nova Launcher. Additionally, we have three wallpapers, and there are two fonts. It might be useful for you later. And there is a Nova backup file here and KWGT backup file here. Now install the app according to this order: one dark polo icon pack, second custom widget, third Nova Launcher. Okay, we will install. Okay, after that open Nova Launcher. Go to Nova Launcher setting. Set it as default first. Then again go to the Nova Launcher. Go to backup and restores. Here you can find the restore backup here. Click that and locate the folder where our Nova Launcher backup file is there. Click it and overwrite it. Yeah, for the home screen the dark polo icon pack is already set. That's why I asked to install dark polo first. The second thing is the KWGT widget also already created here. Click that. Go through the installation process. Here you import the file. This is the file you need to import there. This is the one. Go here and click this save button. Now we go to the home. Our widget has come. Now we have to set the wallpaper. That is the final thing. For the wallpaper, long press, go to the wallpaper and pick up the wallpaper that we have already given in the folder. For this video I am going to select this one and set the wallpaper only for the home screen. Okay, now our home screen setup is finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. See you next video.